I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is JetFormBuilder. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to JetFormBuilder Dashboard. Hover on your form and click on Edit. Now click on Setting. Then click on Post Submit Action under JetForm. Select Call Webhook. Click Edit Action icon. And paste here the webhook URL. Click Update. Now update the form. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now search and select Action ClickUp. Give here ClickUp API token. So go to ClickUp site and click on Setting. Apps. Copy the API token and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Choose team. Choose space. Choose folder. Choose list. Map the respective fields. Here is advanced features in conditional logics. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information. And submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now go to ClickUp site. And you can see the data came successfully in ClickUp site. Thanks for watching.